Welcome to the channel. If you enjoy this in-depth technical analysis, please support us by liking the video and sharing it with your friends. Today, we will thoroughly analyze BMGL stock using detailed technical data from late February to early April 2025. We'll cover price action, volume, moving averages, volatility, momentum indicators, and what these signals mean for traders and investors. Let's get started. The BMGL stock opened at 4.19 on February 25, 2025, and experienced significant volatility over the following weeks. The price climbed steadily, reaching highs above 5.4 in early April, before retreating to close at 4.13 on April 8. The daily price range was wide, with lows dipping as low as 3.63 on April 8, indicating strong intraday fluctuations and increased market uncertainty. Volume patterns reveal important insights into market participation. On February 25th, the volume was exceptionally high at over 2.6 million shares, signaling strong initial interest. Volume then fluctuated but remained elevated during key price surges, especially in early April when volumes repeatedly exceeded 400,000 shares. These volume spikes often align with price breakouts or corrections, showing institutional or retail trader activity influencing the stock. Looking at moving averages, the short-term SMA_5 and EMA_5 closely followed the price, rising from around 4.1 in late February to above 5.2 in early April. This consistent upward movement in short-term averages confirms a bullish trend during this period. Medium-term averages such as SMA_20 and EMA_20 also trended upward, reinforcing the strength of the rally and suggesting sustained buying pressure over several weeks. These moving averages acted as dynamic support levels during minor pullbacks, which is critical for timing entries and exits. The Bollinger Bands expanded significantly during late March and early April, reflecting increased volatility. The price frequently touched or exceeded the upper band, which often signals overbought conditions or potential exhaustion of the rally. Traders should be cautious in such phases as reversals or consolidations may follow. Parabolic SAR values alternated between below and above the price points, indicating shifts between bullish and bearish momentum. When the PSAR dots were below the price, the trend was upward, while dots above the price suggested short-term corrections or reversals. This oscillation highlights the stock's volatile nature during this time frame. Momentum indicators provide deeper insight into the strength and sustainability of the trend. The MACD line crossed above its signal line multiple times, signaling shifts from bearish to bullish momentum and vice versa. The MACD histogram's peaks and troughs corresponded closely with price swings, serving as an effective tool for identifying potential entry and exit points. The RSI mostly stayed between 40 and 80, indicating that while the stock experienced strong buying pressure, it did not consistently enter oversold territory, but did approach overbought levels near peaks. Williams %R and stochastic oscillators fluctuated widely, confirming the stock's frequent shifts between buying and selling pressure. These oscillators are particularly useful for timing short-term trades within the broader trend, as they signal potential reversals when crossing certain thresholds. The Commodity Channel Index, CCI, showed strong cyclical patterns, with values crossing above and below zero multiple times. This behavior helps identify potential trend reversals or continuation points, useful for both swing traders and longer-term investors. Meanwhile, the Average Directional Index, ADX, and ADXR values mostly remained above 20 during the uptrend, confirming a strong directional movement and validating the trend-following strategy. Volume-based indicators such as on-balance volume, OBV, and the Chaikin oscillator provided additional confirmation of market sentiment. OBV trends rose in conjunction with price increases, indicating accumulation phases, while the Chaikin oscillator's fluctuations corresponded with volume surges, highlighting periods of buying and selling pressure. Volatility measures like average true range, ATR, and normalized ATR, NATR, spiked during late March and early April, emphasizing heightened price movement and risk. These indicators are essential for traders to adjust stop-loss levels and position sizes appropriately to manage risk during volatile periods. Additional smoothing and momentum indicators such as TRIX, Ultimate Oscillator, TIMA, and TRIMA complemented the analysis by filtering out noise and highlighting meaningful changes in trend strength and momentum. Their combined signals help traders confirm the validity of trend shifts and avoid false signals. In summary, BMGL demonstrated a strong bullish trend from late February through early April 2025, supported by rising moving averages, increasing volume, and positive momentum indicators. The stock's price action showed consistent gains punctuated by periods of consolidation and volatility. However, the recent pullback from the peak near 5.5 and the increased volatility suggest caution, as the stock may be entering a consolidation phase or facing resistance at higher levels. Traders should closely monitor key indicators such as MACD crossovers, RSI levels, volume trends, and Bollinger Band behavior to anticipate the next directional move. This comprehensive technical analysis equips investors and traders with the necessary insights to navigate BMGL's price action effectively, balancing opportunities with risk management. Thank you for watching this detailed BMGL technical analysis. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with future videos. Your support is invaluable and helps us continue delivering thorough and insightful market analyses. See you in the next video.